And here I am unboxing my wheels that I just got. I only ordered them on Monday, I think, but they're here on Friday. And they had a hole in the box. That's the only thing that I've noticed so far, which I think is alright to have a hole in the box because it lets the wheels breathe, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you can see it now. Actually, when you turn it, I'm in a rush to get this done. I'm getting ready to leave in just a few minutes. We gotta go to Lowe's before they shut down the whole state. I've looked at these wheels for months, many years actually. Always longing for the day when I would have the whole $200 to afford them. I ain't gonna have the money, it's just I've been scared to do it. Ready? Oh my goodness, they're beautiful. Oh, this is it. This is the thing. Alright. As the air conditioner revs up in the background. Here. Here it is. Already got some paint missing off of it. I'm alright with that. It's not going to look any better after it runs on my weld pipe. Ah, it's beautiful. How does it? How well does it spin? It doesn't spin, you know, as spectacularly as I may have wanted, but still, 4 of these. Now this by itself, the wheel. If you bought the wheel just by itself, it'd be $45. Oh, the air conditioning cut off. Oh, nice. But because I got this part attached to it altogether, this costs $65 per wheel. Altogether, it's like $200 and a lot of money. But I probably in the future, if I bought any wheels, I would buy just the wheels and build my own trucks around them. But this, I ain't really got time, and I ain't interested in making a fancy truck for my lawnmower train, which this is for. I'm going to take my lawnmower train wagon, one of them, and put it on this, or on these this weekend. And I look forward to that. I think it will turn out very nicely. I was a little bit concerned because, you know, you read online 3.5, actually let me get a ruler real quick, 3.5 inch wheels. I'm putting this on unedited, so I ain't cutting this out. Yeah, I'm wanting to put this on unedited. So, the wheel is supposed to be 3.5 inches, but I couldn't quite understand where it meant that to be measured from. It's actually 4 inches. It's 4 inches on the outside of the flange. So I guess, I don't know if that counts as, that doesn't seem like a 1/2 inch flange. Seems more like maybe, it's more than 1/4 of an inch definitely. Maybe it's just, I ain't got that trained of an eye yet, but it doesn't look like they have much of a taper to them. But of course, it's a 3-inch wheel. It's not meant to be running on the main line. This is very nice. I really like it. I'm probably, you know, I ain't put it on a wagon yet, but I'm pretty sure I'll probably buy a few more of these. I don't know if I'll build a whole 8-car set out of these, but it'll definitely do very well for putting my lawnmower train on rails, or on well pipe, on tubular rails. So thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I don't like spending too much money until I get to 1,000. I've spent money, but I've been scared to show off my spending money before I get to 1,000 subscribers. I want to make money off of my spending money. But this is just too good. And I know that most people right now are stuck at home, and they need hope in these dark times. I know it changes, most everything that I feel so smart having my own railroad. Don't need to worry about anybody closing. I know that probably a lot of other places are doing work right now too, but you just can't see it because they're closed to the public. So thank you. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a rare, actual quality video from me, if you can call it that. Even though I don't think the editing was quality, mainly because it is unedited. And I'm sorry for the sound, but I just don't have time. Right now, at least. Thank you.